Hey guys, I moved, so that's why I haven't been making many videos lately. I've been busy, so let me kind of give you a quick tour of the place. This is my grandparents' old house here. Let me turn the phone around here. This used to be a dairy ranch years ago. That's the old dairy barn down there. There's nothing in it anymore, but there's my old pickup down there. There's a red barn there. They just brought my garbage cans today, so I have garbage cans. Walking up towards the house here. It's a pretty old house. I'm not sure how many years old it is. It's my little red 2020 Subaru Crosstrek that I bought at the beginning part of the year there. And there's a lot of area to plant stuff here. My grandfather used to rototill this up, and he had a huge vegetable garden here years ago when he was alive. And I actually dug up, well, actually those squash plants, I didn't transplant those, but I planted those since I moved here. And these tomato plants, there's 3 tomato plants. Those were in my backyard at the old house, and I just dug them up and tried moving them, and it looks like they're doing okay so far. I just keep them watered. It's been 4 or 5 days ago that I moved those. Like I said, I just keep watering them throughout the day, and it looks like it's kind of working. I don't know, like I said, how old this house is, but it's pretty old. I moved this veggie pod. I had to take all the dirt out to do that, but it worked pretty well. I also I had a lot of stuff growing in here. I had to take it all out, but I put some new seeds in there, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days ago, and they're all sprouting up already. So this thing, like I said, I took all the dirt out, and then this plastic part on top lifts out, and it wasn't too hard to move that way. And then this cover just snaps on and off, so it worked pretty good moving that. And my cousin was living here for a while, and she was growing things in pots because she said the gophers ate everything. But I just stuck my stuff right in the ground. There's another tomato plant right there, one of the ones I moved, and my little grill here, and some other stuff I moved here. Another tomato plant, and there's lemon cucumbers right there. And that's lemon balm that was in my planter. I transplanted that, and looks like it's doing pretty good. Also got that's rosemary right there. I brought that along, and a rose bush that I had at the other house. I moved that, and that's a persimmon tree right there, or not a persimmon, but a what do you call it? Pomegranate tree. So hopefully that'll do okay too. Got my red Weber kettle there. I haven't really got it set up where I want it yet, but it's a place to sit out here, this table. And there's the insides to my Weber kettle, my slow and sear, and the stuff from the Adrenaline Barbecue Company. My little Weber Jumbo Joe there. The inside of the house, it's a pretty good size house, 4-bedroom house. So it's just me, and got my computer set up in the corner there. And this is the kitchen. It's kind of old, but I think I can make some good videos in here. You know, there's a lot of good memories here, a lot of good energy. Finally just put my sign up on the wall for my cooking channel yesterday. Couldn't figure out where to put it because there's, you know, quite a few things on the wall already, but I think it's going to work out pretty good. I'm just using my phone for this. This is the first video I've shot since I've gotten here. I've been busy moving and putting things away and trying to figure everything out. It's an older house, so looks like the lighting hopefully will be pretty good in the kitchen here. There's a window there, and seems like the lighting is pretty good in here. My toaster oven right there in the corner, so hopefully I can get some cooking videos going here pretty soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys posted. See you later.